When you're talking about a 6-inch radius sweep made out of rigid, those 150, 200 pounds is a very cumbersome weight to try to install. When you see the Champion equivalent, it might weigh 20 pounds, if that. So it's significant from a labor savings standpoint, significant from a safety standpoint, and just time. It's ridiculously easy to transport this stuff across the site. If we can get, I don't know, 10 to 15 feet an hour on a large conduit duct bank, we're doing pretty good. We were able to achieve over 20 feet an hour on our 6-inch duct banks on this project. So that's pretty substantial when you have 22,000 feet. We're actually able to get the fiberglass conduit cheaper than we could have got the PVC at that time as well. So not only was there a huge labor savings, we were able to get a huge material savings. The fiberglass bends versus a rigid 90, just think of the transport cost of a 150-pound elbow coming across the country versus 20 pounds. They take up the same volume, but the weight is ridiculously reduced. So in Vegas, our soil is pretty acidic. It's pretty nasty dirt out there. And when you use a rigid conduit, you have to apply what they like to say is 20 mils of vinyl tape coverage. So you take 10 mil tape, you wrap it around it, and then you wrap it back. So if you have a 5 foot tall by 60-inch sweep, radius 90, that could take you a half hour easy to wrap that thing. So having the fiberglass option is a huge alternative. You don't have to tape it, it's lightweight, no burn through, win, win, win. The entire project was BIM modeled. We have a full BIM department that does all our detailing in 3D. We were able to find out exactly how many 90s, 45s, all the bends, all the vaults, pretty much every transition to get in and out of the site.